Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Unleashed Connector for CS Cart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to click Login with Unleashed Software button present at top of the page. It will open the Unleashed login page. Login with your account. Once login, click Integration. Now click Unleashed API Access. Now copy API ID from here. Paste in module setting in respected field. Now copy API key from here. Paste in module setting in respected field. Now, select Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which CS Cart orders will sync to Unleashed. Now select Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of CS Cart orders that will be synced to Unleashed. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now select Warehouse. One last field is Adjustment Product ID. Leave this field if you don't know the ID. Module will generate it automatically when needed. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Go to the website, then Unleashed menu, and you will see the sync menus. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from CS Cart to Unleashed. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. So let's see them in Unleashed. See, customers are present in Unleashed. The sync process is same for products and orders also. We have already synced the products and orders also. The list is present in Sync Products and Sync Orders menu. Let's see them in Unleashed also. We have tried to cover all points. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.